Here is a video on normal probability plots using example 3.25 from section 3.2 of our statistics book. It also uses the data file NBA heights, which you can find from the set of data that comes with the textbook. Let's take a look at the page in the textbook here. It's page 139. The example is 435 NBA basketball players from the 2008-2009 season. Height in inches. So here we have a histogram of all 435 basketball players with their heights. You can see it ranges from about 70 to about 90 inches. And then we have an overlay of a normal curve on top of it. And you can see it's not quite a normal curve. But there is another way that you can figure out if something is a normal distribution or not by using what we call a normal probability plot right here. So what exactly is this probability plot? Here's a definition I'd like to give you. It's a very simple definition. Let's scroll down here. So a normal probability plot, also known as a quantile plot, oops, I forgot the E there, or a QQ plot. It's a graph that matches up theoretical z-scores to actual data. So let's go back to our plot right here. So we have the z-scores along the x-axis. These are theoretical z-scores, not the actual z-scores. So if it was a perfectly normal distribution, what would be the z-scores of the 435 players? That's what this x-axis represents. And then it matches it up with the actual data of the heights, which is on the y-axis right here. And then the closer the dots come to a perfectly straight line at a 45-degree angle, the closer the data matches up with a normal distribution. You can see this does not match up perfectly. It's a little bit skewed, and that's shown on the probability plot by the points up here on the right side being off the line a bit. So you can say it's not quite a normal curve. The straighter the points, the more normal the distribution is. So that's how you interpret the plot. My next video will show how you actually make the plot.